If you're a heating and air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, why is loneliness so prevalent in the industry? And why does it matter? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Silvenbell, coming to you live for HVAC Technician Sales Secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and business and a fantastic day to talk about you. Today, we are going to talk about some deep subjects. We are going to talk about loneliness. And so here's what happens. It doesn't matter the industry, the service, the product, or where people are in the world. This is a common thing that happens, okay? So as a salesperson, as an entrepreneur, you go through an emotional roller coaster. And one of those emotions is when you're winning and you're on top, you get really good attention. People are like, dude, Scott, you're the greatest thing since sliced bread. True. Scott, you are the greatest thing since crunch berries. Absolutely freaking true, right? Scott, you're the greatest thing since Hawaiian poke bowls. Yes, that's all true. But like, here's the thing. When you don't close, like, you don't get anything. You don't get attention. You get the opposite of it. You're like, hey, sales dude, hey, sales chick, what have you done for me today? Oh, nothing. You know what that means? We get to have a meeting and you get to role play and you get to come have a conversation. So here's what happens. You're a sales dude, you're a sales chick, you go to a meeting and then everybody's at the meeting and you're looking at the leaderboard and Bob's all the way up top and Steve's all the way up top and Jim's all the way up top. And then you're down at the bottom. So you feel bad about yourself, right? You're like, all these people on paper, statistically speaking, are better than me. I don't feel good about myself, okay? So I'll use me for an example. So Bob, Steve, Jim, all these dudes are at the top. They're just crushing it. They're killing it. And I leave the meeting, right? And then I get the phone call from their manager. Scott, we got to talk about your numbers. Come back to the office, right? Now I'm not feeling good about myself. Now I'm not feeling good about my numbers. Now I'm not feeling good about anything. It's a loneliness thing. So what do? I go hide, right? Leave me alone. Don't talk to me. I got to go away. I'm going to go to the coffee shop and work. I'm going to go home and sleep on the couch for a couple of hours because I don't want anybody to know that I'm not closing deals, right? And then I go to my sales call. Hi, my name is Scott. I'm here to sell a product. I feel like crap. I don't feel good. And it's just a downward spiral, okay? So what do you do about it? Well, before we talk about that, you should absolutely join my email publication. Go right here, type it into a browser, drop in your name, your email address, maybe your phone number. I'll give you the goods, not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel. It's an email publication. You get emails from me, and occasionally I sell stuff like books or courses or other people's stuff. But, occasionally I got to pay for my Aloha shirts and my trips to Hawaii. So here's the thing. Recognize that you're lonely, right? Map out what you do in negative emotions, right? I'm lonely. I start calling people. I try to feel good about myself. I try to dump all my feelings on somebody else. I go spend money. I do adult activities. You fill in the blank. I don't have to explain those too. I drink. I whatever your thing is. And then see if there's a way for you to reverse it. See if there's a way for you to say, here's what's going to happen. So when I managed a sales team and when I took care of technicians at the height, 22 salespeople, 66 technicians, and a whole bunch of plumbers, okay? I would get a phone call. Hey, Scott, what's up? Nothing. What's going on with you? Well, I'm just driving. I was like, lonely. Hey, can you answer something for me? Where are you at emotionally on a scale of 1 to 10? 1 being, you're like down in the dumps. 10 being you're super stoked. It was like always like a 1 to a 5. Tell me what's going on. Well, I'm not closing deals, and I went to the sales meeting this morning, and Bob, Jim, and Steve, they're all beating me, and I just feel like I'm so far behind, and I feel like there's something wrong with me, and like it's creating some loneliness and some emptiness and some struggles that I'm facing. Okay, well, talk them out. What would it mean what do we got to do to change it? What would need to be true in order for you to be on top? Well, I need to close some deals. Okay, cool. Why don't you meet up with me? Why don't we do some sales follow-ups together? I'll do a follow-up, you do a follow-up. I'll do a follow-up, you do. I'll call your people, right? Oh, you would do that? Yeah, absolutely. Well, what do you want for it? Nothing, man. I just want you to be better at sales. Okay? Find somebody you can work with. So find somebody on your team that's willing to go 1-for-1 with you. I'll call a follow-up, you call a follow-up. I'll follow. It creates a competition. It helps you get out of the process and you're sitting there with somebody. Right? Number 2. Reach out to a loved one. Number 3, go donate time. Go donate time at a charity. So today, downtown Sacramento, it's absolutely pouring. There's like 17 homeless shelters all on 16th Street. If I really need to go donate some time. There's a ton of homeless shelters here in Sacramento. There's a ton of homeless shelters in Stockton. I can find a place to find time to donate. Right? You don't have to always stick to business stuff. And then number 3, if you're lonely because you're not in a relationship, I would encourage you to join a dating site. I would encourage you to go do some speed dating. I would encourage you to look for a significant other. I would encourage you to go to the gym. I would encourage you to take some stand-up comedy classes. I would encourage you to laugh more often. I would encourage you to drink some more water, right? Loneliness is real. We all go through it, but for whatever reason, sales gurus, industries don't want to talk about it because then they own it. That's really what the problem is. You got one of three things to do from here. Just one of three. Find a subscribe button. Click on it. Every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.